Hey everyone, I am Janjuel Tubayan from Section LNAT. I am reporting today is all about IMO intact stability. What is IMO intact stability? IMO intact stability is criteria are essentials for ensuring ship safety and preventing capsizing and maintaining stability under a various conditions. They significantly impact ship design construct, requiring careful consideration of hull shape, weight distribution, and ballast system to meet safety standards. In operations, these criteria influence cargo management, route planning, and speed regulation. To prevent instability, their significance lies in enhancing safety, environmental protection, and efficiency in maritime transport by reducing accidents, ensuring regulatory compliance, and promoting long-term sustainability. Impact of the center of the gravity on a ship stability. The center of the gravity affects a ship stability. A ship stays stable when gravity remains below the metacenter, ensuring a safe balance. Loading a cargo, adding a weight height up raises gravity less stable, while adding weight low lowers gravity more stable. Discharging cargo. Removing weight from below raises gravity less stable, while removing weight from above lower gravity more stable. Shifting cargo. Moving weight up raises gravity unstable, while moving it down lowers gravity stable. Side movement causes tilting. Ballasting. Adding a ballast lower gravity more stable. Removing ballast raises gravity less stable. Uneven ballast can cause tilting. Proper weight management keeps ships safe and steady. The calculations of the center of gravity shift. We can calculate the new center of gravity after loading or shifting weight using this formula. Gravity new equals weight times weight shift times gravity shift close parenthesis plus weight added times gravity added over weight shift plus weight added, where weight shifts original shifts weight or tons. Gravity shifts or original center of the gravity height or meter. Weight added or remove weight tons. Gravity added height of added or. This is one of the example of center of gravity shift. A ship weighing 10,000 tons has a center of gravity at 5 meters above the keel. If 500 tons of cargo are loaded at 10,000 meters above the keel, find the new center of gravity. This is the formula of gravity new. Gravity new equals weight shift times gravity shift plus weight added times gravity added over weight shift plus weight added. Therefore, gravity new equals 10,000 times 5 close parenthesis plus 500 times 10 over 10,000 plus 500. Therefore, 50,000 plus 5,000 over 10,500 equals 55,000 over 10,500. The answer is 5.24 meters. The center of gravity has risen from 5.00 meters to 5.24 meter, making the ship slightly less stable. If too much weight is added high up, the ship risks reduced metrocentric height and potential capsizing.